By 196 cubic engine line 4-cylinder, the 3-speed manual transmission, recently refinished in beige and brown. It has a tan vinyl interior, which is brand new. Rumble seat, white wall tires on wire wheels, dual side mounts. You can see that, folks. Just a great example of a 32 Plymouth. It's got the rear trunk rack with the trunk. Hydraulic brakes as well, Brent.
All right, here we go, guys. How much here today? What do you want to get for it? How many dollars on it? How much here today? What do you want to get for it? How many dollars want to get for it? What do you want to get for it? You tell me. When get it in? We got $62.50 on the internet. Now $6,500. $62.50 with $6,500. $62.50 with $65. Thank you, 7. I got 65 able with 7,000. Now 75. I got 70 able with 75. With 75. 70 able with 75. 8. I got 75 with 8. I got 75 with 8. 8. Now 85. I got 8 able with 85. With 85 with 85. 8 able with 85. I got 85 9. 85 able with 9,000. I got 85 roll out. 85 able with 9,000. 85 able with 9,999. 85 able with 9,000. 85 bid 87.50. 9,000. 87 able with 9,000. 87 able with 9,999. 87 able with 9,000. Now 92.50. I get 9,000 able with 92.50. I get 9,000 able with 92.50. Here able with 92.50. 9,000 is 92.50. 9,000 able with 92.50. Gonna go. 9,000 able with 92.50. Anybody else want to do it? 92.50. 91. Is that what you said? 91. Is it? I got 9 sitting down. 91 once. 91 twice. 91, 92, 92. Don't lose that for 100. 92, 91, able to 92, 91, able to 92, pivot to 2, 91, able to 92 once, 91 bid 92 twice. So $9,100. Thank you. 9,100, and that buyer number is 1216. 1216. Thank you.